So, what we are basically doing in this project is our task is to convert audio, basically audio taken in any multilingual language to the audio in any other multilingual language. Okay. So this is basically the our first code, which will just take audio. When we running this code, it will just take audio as input and convert that into .flag file. Okay. Our our next Our next task is to convert that audio into a text format, English text, which is processed by can be processed by LLM. So what we will do is just to basically convert that dot flag that just taken the path of that dot flag format here and convert that into audio, sampling it, and after doing all this, running this pre-trained model by OpenAI, we will just get the text. Our next code is basically text to text. What is Llama do is just it has a vector database. It will convert that into vector database. Fast we are using just computing embeddings of that. User query comes based on that. It will just chunk them, and based on that, it will just take top key and answer the query of the user in the English language. Our if we are discuss about our next task here, basically translating that we in this model we are translating that audio in text in English language that we have got from the Llama model into the desired language in which the user have just put its query or the user language. Our source language is English, and we have converted our language into Hindi. This is our task, and final task is basically we are using Google Translator here to convert our we can say is text. Convert our Hindi or any multilingual text to the desired language by the user using a Google Translator. Okay, so and our final task is to play that audio in this environment.